All right, back here in Falcon Land on Tim's Falcon. Got the drive shaft out. There's a cute little U-joint bolts. Cute little baby U-joints. Ready to pull this baby out because we did have a lot of play in our U-joints. So that's gonna come out. We're gonna rebuild that. We're also gonna start on our shocks. Get those babies apart. We have a front sway bar to do. Gotta figure out our trans mount situation, which is all kind of strange. And of course our valve cover leak, which front half is very nice, but as you can see back here on the rearward side, we wet and we leaking. So a little bit of reseal. But first things first, get the drive shaft out.